and Craft. Hey friends, welcome back to and Crafts. And today's video I am doing an amazing thing. I'm making this super cool turban knot hairband which is very popular these days and you don't find it very much in your own style. So today I'm going to tell you how to make it. So choose your own pretty cloth and start making it with me. So let's do this. Guys, I am taking a really long cloth which is not good because many of it goes in waste. So now I'm going to tell you how to really measure the size what you want. So first of all, you are going to need a hairband. Then you should make a knot in your cloth and then measure it around your hairband. So you can see I am having a lot of it going down, so that is waste. So you don't need that much. You will just see that if it occupies your hairband, then that's good, take it. Guys, after sewing one side of your cloth, we are just going to make it inside out by doing this. So follow my step and let's make it inside out. Keep in mind that at one side you have the knot and the other side is flat. From the flat side you'll have to pass the hairband, okay? So do this step. Guys, so right now I have made a knot and I have put the hairband inside this way. So as a turban knot is basically a knot in the middle of the headband which comes on the middle of your head, but I am making it in a very unique and different style. It is very different and it is found in none of the videos made about this kind of hairband, but I am going to make my knot at a little bit tilted this way. Okay, so it comes like at an axis of my head. It won't be straight at the top, okay? It would be this way. Okay, so this way I'm going to tighten the knot, and now we are just going to glue the cloth, and so much of cloth this over here would be cut and this would be just waste. Guys, this craft turned out to be super cool. It just is so shocking. It looks like I have bought it. You can also make it. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment.